Oh my. God is good.
We are still steps. I'd say maybe a good quarter mile. Huge. You excited to be here, babe?
Yep.
Yep. We get to be here pretty soon. Yeah. Perfect. I found the entrance, thanks. Who is this going inside of here? Hi. Ramp number 1. The entrance. I don't know what's behind here, but it sounds terrifying. So imagine the beasts are locked behind these cages. It's raining outside though, as you can hear. Might be a flood going on or something. Hey Noah, do we have any more ranch dressing or ketchup? Yeah, check on aisle number 3 on the very bottom. It should be in vat number 3. Vat number 3. Alright, so this is the ketchup ranch. This looks like maybe the tail of the ship. Or the nose. Inside of the underbelly. Well done, Noah. On your general contractor's inspection. It's like you reinforced this wood with some steel hooks, which is great.
קראת לי לבנות ספינה, לשמר את משפחתי ואת החיות שבאת אליי, ושאפתי לכבד אותך נאמנה בכל מה שעשית. שמו עת זו. קראת לי לבנות ספינה, לשמר את משפחתי ואת החיות שבאת אליי, עלינו ושיפוטך את העולם הזה, לפי שהובטחת, לכולנו לשרת אותך נאמנה, לכל ימי חיים.
Following with the world before the flood. I think I'm cheering on with glee. Looks familiar, doesn't it? See what they're sacrificing. Did she bring her baby along with her sacrifice? No. They're giving their baby for a sacrifice. Shem. Shem.
He's reading.
Shem.
Yeah.
Where are the nachos, Shem? Is there any sour cream?
I mean, look at all that garlic.
You making guac?
She's making guacamole live.
What's she making?
Guacamole live.
Oh. Mixing it up, are we, Ariel? Sounds good.
Ham's wife made medicines from plants in this area.
Looks like they got garlic. I'm gonna play a little jazz flute for my lady. But she works in her arts and crafts. And a little love nest. Are you learning anything, love? Yes?
With you as the narrator?
Yes. Japheth wooing his wife,
Oh,
trying to lure her with a little bit of flute.
Oh my.
Get your copies today on Amazon. Yes, this man is working with metal and he's well protected because he's got on his steel-toed sandals. Boo. Are they comfortable? Why, yes, they are. Oh, yes. The master suite. And Zara and Noah. Lovers quarters.
Yes.
And where are they, you might ask? They're just sending out the dub. Yeah, that's what they're doing.
Oh, if I could remember all of this.